Good morning. I don't even recall what day we're on. Day 16? I think that sounds about right. We just got back from our little Thanksgiving break, had a nice little 5-day vacation. Got away from this place for just a minute. Let me tell you, it was nice. Place is looking good. All walls are up, minus one that you guys saw. We didn't get up in day 15. While we were gone, it rained like crazy down here. It helped with that fire that we had down south, but it left us with a little mud hole. You might have been able to see it in day 15. Not too sure how much you guys saw though. This block wall did start going in. Anyways, Quentin and I are gonna get some tools rolled out, get to it. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Now, if you guys recall on day 11, this wall here needed to come out 3/16 of an inch. Got the lift up there right now, hoping to pull back. We're gonna put something in between the existing building and the new construction, hold it there, and then we're gonna go ahead and blast all that shear off. None of that shear got nailed. We couldn't get that wall to square up on the ground. We're gonna get the laser out right now, check it once again. I'll show you guys exactly how we do that. From there, we can go ahead and nail off all that shear. So when you have walls that are this big, in order to plumb them up, we're using this little PLS 6G. Pull off of there, as you can see, we're looking at 1 3/16 is where we need to be up top. We'll leave that there, hop up top, check it there. So right now we're looking at 1 1/8. It's a 16th off. We're not even gonna worry about that other 16th. We're just gonna go ahead and nail it off there. 16th and 17 feet. It's plenty close enough.
Ideally on the right side when you pull in, probably where you're parked is where we want to drop the main load for that building.
They pulled into the parking lot.
Yeah, that's what I told them not to do.
They'll still be able to get in. I need Fox to move though. So we've had a lot of trusses dropped, but this is by far one of the biggest drops we've had. Partially just because these trusses are huge. So we've got this monster load here. That's just the beginning though. So my goal is to get these guys dropped, these right in front of it. I think they're big enough. There's quite a few of them. If you guys have been following me for a very long time, you guys watched Trusses fly in on multiple projects. You've watched Trusses fly in on season 1, season 2. Season 3 was hand cut, so that's a little different. This takes the cake by a mile. So as you guys can see up here, these ones kind of stair step back. That's our Cali up top. That'll go back onto the existing roof on both sides, that one and the far side there. Oh yeah, right there.
All right, good.
Still good.
All right, let's throw that screw back in the center.
So I just pulled numbers for this back section here to get all these cut. Found a common number that works for all of them. We have concrete guys coming to do some little mechanical pad out here, so we need to be out of their way. They need to be out of ours. We can do it now, get it over with. That section will be done. I went ahead and lined, as you guys saw earlier, both of these walls. We are officially locked in and ready for trusses, aside from that shear panel. Oh, it is the end of day 16. 16, I think we're calling it. Today was a bit of a shorter day in terms of content. What we were doing was sort of repetitive, so I wasn't really going to slow down the video and make it 20 minutes long like I typically would. We got that side sheeted up to there. We have one last sheet to put up down there. We'll get that tossed up tomorrow morning, but this building is wrapped up. Super stoked to say that. Now, along with wrapping that shear panel up over there, we did a couple other things as well. This wall needed to rack out just a bit. We pulled it out, blasted all those sheets off, and got a brace inside. All of that's gonna get nailed off tomorrow. This wall got pulled out 3/16. Little block went in between existing and new construction. All this got nailed off then as well. I've explained it to you guys before. When you sheet on the ground, you have to make sure you're square. The reason being is once you try to stand that wall and rack it any which way, it's not going to move. But I hope you guys have been enjoying the series so far. If you guys haven't already, I'm hosting a 7-day giveaway. We have 7 awesome prize packs from a bunch of awesome sponsors. Project's going good though, guys. Like I have mentioned before, we are doing this build with 4 guys. Most people would have 10 out here. They'd blow it out a lot quicker, but let me tell you, with 4 of us, we are able to make sure that this place is within a 16th and 18 feet, and we know for a fact that all of our work is spot on. So little things like that that make us stand out from the rest. Tomorrow we're gonna hit it hard again. Since this building is now wrapped up, this building is the main focus. We're gonna start shear paneling all of that, get that building wrapped as well. The next day or 2, that's all we're gonna be focused on. And then after that, you guys, after that is my favorite part of a build. The roof is by far the most enjoyable part of a build for me. The roof is where things get fun, and that's what I enjoy doing most. So you guys are gonna get to see all of that. Anyways, guys, that is all we have time for. If you enjoyed the video, big thumbs up. If you'd like to, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in day 17. It's actually starting to rain pretty good. Yep, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bang on. It's actually starting to rain a little bit. You get along with the people that you work with though, and you're able to hang out outside of work, things typically go good at work. Bomby little burger joint.
Otherwise, it's a good truck.